Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. My special visitor, Amy and Steve, we just go home. And now I'm going to give snack for the guys. Photo cheese. Okay, I'm close now to the home where the guys digging it. Well, I'm carrying a photo cheese here.
Yeah.
There is the guy here. Very deep now. Pila na nakakuan?
5 feet. 5 feet.
5 feet?
Oh, they're down farther than that.
Di na 5 feet. Uy. Pila may height ni mo, Durax?
Itong sukranan ni kuya dito.
Ha?
5.
5'5"?
5 feet.
The wall will come up even with that. They're calling, he said they're
5'6",
calling for
huh?
rain
Pumukay diri.
this weekend.
Hala.
Kapit ng tubig ganito.
So what we gotta do is build a trench around here.
Tomorrow. Maghukay mo diri sa kan palibot ba? Kanang kanal.
Paano na mo bigbuton gani? Butanan na mo bigbuton.
Wala sa nabing puto.
Ang yuta dambak mo na namo diri ang dam.
Wala ba mahatagak ni?
Idam na namo dito. Kanlay bigbuton ugma.
Miki.
We'll pick all this up again and take it over there in the morning.
Kanina buwa ang nabuwa na mo dito na.
Hapit na naman 6 feet, no?
Hapit na.
Pero dili dapit. Abot na nag 6 feet.
Dire lagatig kalot ako diri.
Oh, bigyan.
Nag-ilog. Oro dito lahi beto sa kabuo. Ito lahi.
Napa na dia daghan.
Ito lagi. Kanal.
We'll dig a trench.
There is a forecast it will rain.
Well, he's talking about supposedly heavy rain. Now, I've seen rain next Monday. They're talking thunderstorms. I'll see
So
how
they
it
better
goes
make tomorrow.
the next day or two, but we'll dig kind of a trench here.
Kanal mo diha.
Maybe tomorrow they can make a
And
trench here.
this is going to have to be different because the water will collect on here, run off of here, and down into there. So we're going to have to do something different.
Higher. Daghan gihapon oy.
Or else
Pwede na ba?
pull it all that direction so it runs down there. I dug up.
Oh, this one.
So like I said, that's about the height I want it.
Oh, we have some mungo beans, daily.
Well, they're going to die here, and we cannot afford to take water out of the pond.
That's
anymore.
ready to pick. I'll just give Doro that one harvest.
There's no bees here.
There is. Durax! Imuha na ning munggos, dari. Dito mo naman yung bunga. Ha?
We need to be tearing all this down, too.
Yeah, so much job again.
Like I said, there's always stuff to do here, and we've been so busy.
You're always busy, daily.
I know it.
No time. No time to rest and relax. We just relax during night. And few days go to the
I'm going to walk back up to the house.
friends.
I could probably grab another video here.
Bye for now, guys. Thank you for watching my video.
Hi, hello, good afternoon. How are you?
We're having snack now. Nanambok lay ka, Durak.
Bilin sa baron.
Bernes, dilo.
Ay, eteng. Pila nang nakabuo. Pila nang. 7. Grabe. 2 ganina. 8.
4. Ano ba?
Huwag na kayo baka kutigo mo to. Ito bagol. Ilan mo na kayo magilak. Bigay kami.
Wala pa lagi ko ano. May bato no.
Hindi ari kagmay pa. Di pa ato ba? Di ulot lang kana pa man siya.
Pumo ka.
Ay patay man ang bato. Di na buhi.
Patay do. Di pa lang lindot lang.
Ya. Gamay pa kang kalat no.
They're having snack, puto cheese. Ay, bit-bit mang doro. Yang ibit-bit ng plastic. Carrying the plastic, guys.
Ang padrilling ni, ang bangag tirang gamaya ana no.
Ito.
Ay ani.
Nini jung tabay.
Di makita ang tubod. Lagi.
Di, oy, ang drill man, kinalad man. 200 feet man.
Igos bato.
Di, oy, ato jud ka sa kanang kuan na jud. Ihid jud tong kuan ba, katong pinaka-kuan water.
Drilling siya.
Ha?
Drilling.
Di, oy. Kana din kamot, mura man nag-drilling.
Drilling ni pila na ba so tubo gamay ra kayo.
Di, oy, na may 6 inches.
Ha?
Na 6 inches.
Nga inig. Ini kumbas tubig talaga kumbas kay pera na dakong manang tubig. Naglam kayo.
Kani. Kapag nang i-drill ipakalot na. Sayo naman yung bato day makakuan dito kanang
Sunugon.
madugmok sunugon eh. Walang tubig ba?
Kauban na suwar tubig. Nga. Kauban na po suwar tubig.
Suman.
Mahuban man magukong gabok na.
Nare technique na eh.
Kuya, malumpag.
Hindi oy. Ano rin po din eh.
So bye guys. Thank you so much for watching my video and please like, comments and subscribe.